Can I just tell you how good my God is? Story time. At the gym today, doing this new workout, working out my core. Saw this brother doing it. Like, I want to do that. Did the first set, got it. Second set, my body's like, oh, this is what we're doing? We're doing something new. All right, well, you triggered something in this body, and we need to start removing some of this extra stuff up in your gut. AKA, I need to take a shit. And it wasn't just no regular shit. This was one of those, you need to go home in the privacy of your own home type of doo-doos. And you need to go in the next 10 minutes. I tried to get one more set in. My body is like, this is what we doing? I was like, yeah, you right. Go to my locker. They got free coffee and peppermint. I was about to put the peppermint, make my little combination. I go over to the Keurig machine, lactose intolerant. My body's like, this is what we doing? I'm like, this is what we doing. Get to the Keurig machine. 88-year-old white guy, 5'3", butt-ass naked, getting his coffee for the morning. Hello, young man. Have a great day, sir.